Hello YouTube, I'm back with a card update. Haven't had one in a little while. I'll start with a baseball card I found when I was sorting through some boxes. I thought it was pretty neat. It's Mickey Mantle. I don't know what it's out of. It says April Joe paperback, maybe out of some book or something. It's got Walton Books on the back of it. Let's pull that out of there. I thought pretty neat. Mickey Mantle card. Won some Geno Smiths on eBay, and I was kind of surprised I got these for what I did. There's one autographed. First up, this was in the lot. It's one of those towel cards from National. I think it's what they call a lava flow, maybe. It's got like the refractor look to it. Pretty neat. There's some, I think, 2 base Upper Deck rookies in there. Here's the came like this in the panel, and you can see there the middle one's the autographed version of the Upper Deck rookie card. There's the base. Maybe I can get them all in the camera view there. Geno Smith. So that was pretty neat. Next up, it's another eBay purchase. I first seen this card, I fell in love with it, and I'm slowly working on trying to get an autograph of every member of the original Dream Team, and I just had to pull the trigger on this, and this was sweet. The guy included some extras here, these base cards, but nothing really spectacular, just filler. And the card I got was a Larry Bird autograph, one card from the Spectra. I just fell in love with that card when I first seen it. I mean, it's 11 out of 20. It's nice. And I got a package in. There's a college football Facebook group, and a guy had posted a Jarrett Brown and a Steve Slaton that he had for trade or for sale, and he had another one, and he cut me a really good deal on all 3 of them. I'm not going to tell you what the third one was. I'll just let you see it. We're opening this up on cam. Zach Webb wanted me to do this on cam, open these up on cam. Let's see here. Well, is this supposed to be 3 cards? I think it is. Okay. This is from, see how you pronounce his last name. Timothy L. Gatish, I think. It says, thanks for your purchase and enjoy. Well, I thank you for the deal. Let's see here which one. We'll go with this one, with the Jarrett Brown in it first. And the one I really wanted, if I get to it, I'll save it for last. Okay, we can do it. Here's, well, I guess he included these as extras. Holy cow. Steve Slaton out of 65. Wow. Here's the SP Authentic. Wow, that's out of 25. Sweet. Save that one until last. And here's one of the Jarrett Browns that he originally posted. Wasn't a real great quarterback for the Mountaineers, but they had some success with him at the helm. These are extras too, I guess. Yeah. Wow. Javid Best. I don't know if he's still in the league or not, but that's cool. anytime you get college pieces, I think it's neat. Here's another, wow, here's another Slaton autograph. Holy cow. Wow. It's only supposed to be 3 cards, and there's 3 extra Steve Slatons and a Javid Best. And I really like this one too. This is one of the ones he had posted. Steve Slaton Donruss Classics. That one's out of 50, 28 50. Wow. And the one that really cemented this is Steve Slaton Reebok patch. That is nasty. And you guys need to check this guy out on the Facebook Football College Club there. It's Timothy Gosh. I hope that's how you pronounce that right. I'm sorry if I murdered your last name. But I thank you for the extras, man. I mean, you didn't have to do that. I really do appreciate it. And thanks for viewing this video, YouTube. I'm out.